Welcome back to my channel. My name is Adrienne Keyser. I'm so glad that you're here. In today's video, I'm going to be doing a quick unboxing. I ordered a pair of reading glasses from Glasses USA, and I am super excited to crack these open and try them on. If this is your first time here, I do hope that you will subscribe to my channel. And if you'd like to see me unbox these new reading glasses, then please keep watching. I'm so excited to try on these glasses. It is from a company called Glasses USA. I have a pair of Prada reading glasses and lost them. Devastated, okay? This is devastation. So I have another pair of reading glasses, which are these. You've probably seen me wear these in a million videos. These are by Tiffany. These are my Tiffany & Company reading glasses. But today I am unboxing my favorite designer, Alexander McQueen. And I got these for an incredible price. So I'm really excited. So here is the box, Glasses USA. Comes in a really nice box. Oh, happy to see you. That's cute. All right, let's crack these open. Ooh. Okay, lots of things come flying out. Okay, so yeah, it looks like just a bunch of coupons and stuff like that, and in here looks like a cleaning cloth. Let's see what's in here. Yeah, it's just a, oh no, it's a glasses case, a little soft glasses case, drawstring. That's cute. All right, thanks Glasses USA. All right, so here they are. Alexander McQueen. And it does say, hopefully you can see that, Alexander McQueen. So they are legit. And you open it up, and here they are. Oh, they're beautiful. Here's the Alexander McQueen case. Oh, they're stunning. And they are, let me put on my new glasses. Oh, they're very tight. I did have them include my prescription, and they are perfect. Oh, these are so cute. Did I need another tortoiseshell pair since my Tiffany pair are also tortoiseshell? These are McQueen. How cute is that? And it says the McHugh on the side. Love. Okay, so these are the Alexander McQueen McHugh tortoise lens type. All right, and again, I did have all of the different options included in there. So I got the anti-scratch coating, 100% UV block coating, anti-reflective coating, a super hydrophobic. And so all in all, it came to $177. Then I got 25% discount, $25 off, came to $151.20, which is, anybody that knows Alexander McQueen, that's a steal on these glasses. Let me give you a close up so you can see the, hopefully you can see the McHugh on the side. Oh my gosh, they're so beautiful. Alright, let's check them out. Let me see them in the mirror. Oh, they are so stunning. So I wanted to make sure that I mentioned that Alexander McQueen is hands down my favorite designer of all times. So it was amazing that I was able to get these at such a great deal. Yeah, these are my new reading glasses. I absolutely love them. And I hope you all will leave a comment to let me know what you think. Yes, do they look similar to my Tiffany glasses? Yes, but that was sort of the point. I wanted to get a pair that I knew the frames and the coloring was going to work for me, especially when you're paying that kind of money for a pair of reading glasses. So, and I did. I knew that I love the tortoiseshell. I knew that I love this frame, and it was such a good deal. So you guys definitely go check out Glasses USA. They have a ton of luxury brand label glasses at a really amazing discounted price. So I will be going back and shopping with them because it was a great experience. They had a lot of different styles. I was actually going to go to another website and buy some reading glasses, and once I saw those, and they looked okay, but they just weren't like quality. You know what I mean? They were pretty, but at the same time they were a little disposable. So I wanted some glasses that I knew would last, and you know, since I did have Prada's, I did want to go with another luxury brand. So could not believe that I found these. There were maybe 5 styles or so of the Alexander McQueen, and you know, but they did have a lot of really good other luxury brands. They did have Prada's, they did have Michael Kors, Gucci, Burberry. So they did have a lot of different luxury brand glasses out there, and you can put your prescription in them. Of course, that costs more money, and the more additional features that you add to your glasses, like the anti-glare, the anti-scratch, all that stuff, it does add up. So it wasn't that horrible. I mean, again, $151 at the end of the day was a really good price. So I looked up their website, and it says that they're giving 65% off for any new customers, so that's nice. And just so you can see some of the eyeglasses, designer glasses, that's kicking me like over 2,000 results. So Ray-Ban, Michael Kors, Coach, lots of Ray-Ban, Armani Exchange, Oakley's, Tory Burch, Versace, Prada, Burberry, and the list goes on. So these are just some of the different options that they have. Amazing, right? These are some of the others, and yeah, you can click on the pictures and it gives you different views. Oh, look at those. Those look pretty. Let's click on that and see. Those are cute. Rebel side step for $30. So not everything is a luxury brand. They have glasses $80, $100, $160. So there's a nice range of prices, styles, colors, frames. There's some that might be $20, some that are $30. Check out Glasses USA, you guys. We'll definitely be going back and getting other pairs, and I hope you all like them. I'm totally living for these. They're so pretty. So much for watching. I hope you all enjoyed this quick unboxing video, and if this was your first time here, I do hope that you will subscribe to my channel, and I look forward to seeing you all in my next video. Oh, by the way, drinking wine. Bye.